So what's that stuff?
This is building wrap, but it's a thick, hard type of building wrap that they normally use under roofs.
Oh yeah, it's pretty sturdy.
Yeah, so
Cool.
the idea is this should not rip in the wind.
And we get extreme harsh winds where we are, so that stuff. Roofing underlay, but you know, we're using it for the walls as well. I think there was potentially cheaper stuff that we could have semi-legally used, but
I didn't like it.
it's, yeah, we just want to do it once, do it right, get the decent stuff, so we did.
For you.
What's going on?
Mum, can you tell Dad oi for making all big noises?
Okay, now, so around the windows and the door, we actually need to put this stuff called aluband, however it's pronounced. Now, what's the purpose of this stuff, love?
It's to create a weather seal around the doors and the windows.
There we go, a weather seal. And basically that's what the doors and the windows are going to be slotted onto. And that's why, when we're planning for how big the windows and the doors were, we always allowed 2 millimeters extra at either side for this stuff. Now, as you can see, this is a rather old roll of it. It's some stuff that Clint has had in his shed forever.
Since I was in business.
Since he was in business. Yeah. So of course we're not going to buy any more. However, the stuff you buy these days, and probably once upon a time this,
that was sticky once upon a time,
is sticky, like you put it on and it doesn't come off. Now we found that this stuff, as it's been sat around for like 20 years plus, it's no longer sticky. So after a bit of trial and error, we've come up with an unconventional method. We're going to iron the Sleepout. Funnily enough, this is also the first thing I've ironed in the last 15 years. So yeah, we'll show you our method. Bear in mind, if you're buying this stuff new, you're not going to need to iron it.
Actually, if you're doing it in real cold weather, I've always found heating it up first helps. That too.
You don't have the natural mental stability to iron.
No, it just doesn't come natural to me.
I'm feeling this is a bit sexist.
Hey, you're naturally disposed to it. I was going to say, you're just naturally good at it, you know.
Whatever.
Not just my equal, my superior.
You're playing with fire, love.
Playing with you.
I'm holding a weapon. We cut this part way across the window, and then the aluband tape sticks it firm.
Done. Right, going to man your iron, missus.
Man the iron.
Woman the iron.
Now
whatever.
man the iron.
You go, woman the iron.
Not a man it. Stunning. Okay, so we did those windows. We've put some more of these, what are they called?
Cavity battens.
Cavity battens. There we go. We've put them around the windows. So, we need to get the building paper up there, don't we?
Yeah.
Make some.
Overlap.
With the 100mm overlap. And my dad's been and just done a bit of finishing touches on our roof there in the meantime. This building wrap, it is meant to overlap about 100mm. Now, we've done it more like 65mm. So, because of that, we kind of need to use some of this, use some of the aluband stuff that we used around the windows, and we actually need to stick these together, which is the workaround to rectify our little whoopsie there. So